Hi guys, welcome back to our n8n tutorial series project on YouTube. So I'm super excited to have you back on this space. So today we're going to be building a new workflow entirely, which is going to be making our 10th project for the series we're creating, right? So we're going to be working with a trigger today called local file, right? Local file, right? So this local file is going to help us access a particular folder on our computer, right? So what this folder is going to be doing is to change involving a specific folder. Yeah. So if there's a change involving a specific folder, whether we are uploading or whether we are removing a file from a folder, something is going to be happening in our Google Drive. I hope you're excited to be learning about this, right? Because right now I'm going to be connecting the address to the folder I want this guy to be watching for me. So I'll just do this. I have a folder created already. I call it back end. So I'll click on it to copy the address, right? That's the file path to it. Then I'll come and paste here, right? Folder to watch is going to be watching back end is on my desktop. The user called Ali Wasil, right? So what am I trying to watch for when the file is added, right? So listen to me. That's what I'm telling this local file trigger. When the file is added, take action, right? So I won't execute this right now, but I will just add the next node to it. So the next node to it we're going to add to it is going to be a read or write file from my computer disk, right? So I'm going to be adding this read file from my computer. So I want this guy to read file from my computer, and this guy is asking me to input a file selector, right? So I'm going to go back to canvas, try to zoom to fit, then I'll try to execute this workflow, right? So that I can have something in the input of the read to file from this, right? So I'll execute this right now. So this guy is listening to me to do something on the folder I have connected to it. So I'll do this. So I need to upload something inside this back end, right? So I think I have something in my download I'll need to upload. Okay, I'll copy this right now, go back to the back end, just watch what happened right now, Control V. Almost immediately, this guy listened and is received the input to have an output. So you can see the file part is coming as an output, right? So I'll do this by going back to canvas. So I want to believe by now I have an input inside this guy. All right, so I have an input here. So what I need to do right now is to drag this guy from the input to the file selector type, right? So this is going to be here. So right now I need to tweak this a bit. If you are working with a self-hosted n8n, so I think you need to do this, right? Because my system is running on a self-hosted n8n, and the same folder I'm trying to work with is also on a self-hosted computer. So what I need to do right now is to do what? Replace. Then where's my bracket, right? Then I'll try to open up this guy for this guy, for this guy, for this guy. All right, this guy for this guy, this guy for this guy, with a G and a comma. So let's do this. All right. So this, then a comma, then I'll bring this guy, then I'll bring this guy. All right. So if I execute this now and everything is good, I will be having an output, right? An output, right? So let me try and execute this, right? Execute. Very fine. I have an output by my right hand. So you can see I have the output right now. I can even as well download this from here, and it's been downloaded. So the same file I uploaded is being downloaded inside my n8n, right? So what I need to do right now is go back to canvas. On going back to canvas, I can just drag this workflow, bring them to this side and tell them stay here, go back here and find what? My Google Drive. My what? Google Drive. So it's going to be a very simple workflow, but very, 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 very resourceful, useful, and needed, right? So I'll be doing upload files. All right, upload files. All right, so as almost as immediately, so I've already connected my credentials to this Google Drive because I'm using Google Sheets. I'm using Gmail, so they are all using a peculiar credential, so we don't have any issue with that. So from the input data field name, you can see that my field name from the input is the same as what you have here. So I can as well try to see if I want to change the root folder inside my n8n right now. So, but I won't be changing the root folder, and I can as well change the root folder. Let me try and find where I'll put this right now. So I have almost everything on my Google Drive. So I'll just try and just put it on the root folder, right? So that I can see it almost immediately, right? So I can just execute this workflow right now. Execute this workflow. All right, all right, all right, all right. Perfect. So this is well executed right now. So that means I have something uploaded on my Google Drive. So I can do this by going back to Canvas, then zoom to fit. Sorry, zoom to fit and rename this workflow, right? Auto backup, right? Auto backup, right? So I can check the log section to see what we have under the log sections, right? So we have this local file trigger, we have the reads, all right, coming with the file inside my n8n. We have the upload, who has uploaded the file on my Google Drive. Everything is perfect, right? Everything is perfect. So if you want this to actually be live, you can toggle it as active, right? So once this is active and you're working on the what cloud hosted, be sure that your files will be uploaded to your Google Drive almost immediately, right? I will need to untoggle this, right? Then I will do this by going to where to the log section again and try to what zoom to fit. I like this, right? So you can see that the workflow is perfect and good. So this is that about building the 10th workflow in our n8n series. This is teacher Alim. If you are just joining us, don't forget to like our videos, subscribe to our videos, and also share our videos with family and friends. Thank you very much, and we hope to have you in the next um, series, right? Which is the 11th series. We are going to 20, right? So we're now in the 10th project. So we're going to be to 20, and we're going to be working on the 11th one almost immediately. So expect it anytime soon. Thank you very much.